What's up, MultiGP News? This is Kalara. We are here in Times Square, right outside the Swatch store, where we'll meet the fastest pilots in the tryouts. Let's take a look. Hey guys, we are here with Kevin, who, believe it or not, took third last year in the tryouts. He qualified 15th this year. How do you feel, Kevin?
I'm feeling really good. Last year was my first ever real race. I'd only been to one MultiGP race before that. Really didn't know what I was doing, so this year I'm actually coming in with a strategy. So I'm feeling a lot more confident than I was last year. And looking forward to see how the competition stacks up.
Now, Sean is a part of the Heart of America chapter, and he was telling me earlier that it's a bit different flying the sim than a real quad. Tell me what the difference is.
You know, what we got to keep in mind as MultiGP pilots is the DRL sim currently is simulating the Racer 3, which is 1,000 grams, where what we're used to flying is 400 grams, you know, with the battery. So the physics are a lot different. I don't know, I think I've learned a lot from it. It is some adjusting going back and forth. We did Sebring last weekend, so that was a bit of an adjustment to try to, you know, get used to that and then quickly switch back over because there's a lot on the line this weekend.
Everybody here is here to win, but everybody's here to have fun, and we're all just friends. I'm actually feeling pretty confident. This tracks, we've got a spread of maybe 2 seconds across all these tracks, and there's some pretty long tracks. That means it's anybody's game. You have one crash from a top pilot, and they're falling to the back of the pack. So I'm going to keep pushing with everything that I've got and see if I can stay in the race.
You want to give a shout out to your MultiGP chapter?
Yeah, Rocket City FPV in Huntsville, you guys, I'm going to try and bring home some Racer 3s and some gates, some flags, bring home some reputation for the South. You guys, keep your eyes up.
Hey guys, I am here with Caleb Cato Schneider. He's currently 4th in the tryouts. How do you feel?
I feel good. I'm ready for tomorrow.
What is the difference between this year's tryouts and last year's tryouts?
The main thing is that there's no crash outs. Last year, your drone could crash and collide with other drones, as well as if you were to crash into any objects or walls, your drone could be compromised and you could no longer fly.
Hey guys, we are here with the man himself, RoboGenesis. He's been taking the DRL tryouts by storm by far. RoboGenesis, Brody Springer, how you doing?
Pretty good.
Brody, you fly with the Die Hard chapter out of Washington State. When did you get started with MultiGP?
Oh, I started practicing after the last tryouts and then raced, I think first race was in July. I'd hardly flown through gates because I was afraid of breaking things. But then after the tryouts, it just became my passion, I guess. Guys,
you're looking at the championship controller right here. The fastest pilot will get to snag this award. What do you think about the collaboration between MultiGP and DRL?
A rising tide lifts all ships, so having MultiGP and DRL connected and kind of sharing the growth of the hobby is awesome. I can't wait to see what that leads to in the future.
Nick, tell us what you do for DRL.
I'm the CEO, so I started DRL in 2015.
Awesome, and how did you come up with this?
So I was with Tough Mudder, so I used to work at Tough Mudder, the Mud Run series, and I wanted to start something new, and I was looking around, and I met Ryan Gurry, and he took me to a park in Long Island and showed me drone racing, and I honestly just thought it was the coolest thing I'd ever seen, and I tried to bring some of the lessons we learned at Tough Mudder to the sport to help it grow and find a big audience.
And we've been talking to a lot of the pilots, and we've been asking them how, you know, what they think about the whole collaboration with MultiGP and DRL, and they are all over the moon. So what do you think about the collaboration?
I think it's amazing. I love MultiGP. I watch the MultiGP news. I go to MultiGP races. You know, it's really an incredible part of the community. It's such a vibrant organization. They do so much racing. And obviously at DRL, we can only do so many races a year. So it's so great to be partnering with an organization that can do a lot more racing, reach a lot more people. And so I think it's the perfect collaboration.
All right, Canoodle, tell us what's going on tonight.
So tonight, 7 to 9 p.m., you guys can watch a live stream on drl.io/2018 tryouts. All of the information that we show as far as the racing action between these pilots and who's going to become the 2018 Swatch DRL pilot, we'll find out tonight.
Awesome. Well, you guys heard it here first. There's more to come with DRL and MultiGP, trust me.